come back to the third example in the study of direct integral method. Let's solve this particular problem and see what we get. First, what we know is that, ask yourself, is this question under a direct integral method? Ask yourself first, is this method under it? Obviously, you'll be like, I said that for that is integral method, that if we're having the over the x equal to something of x, but here I'm not having the over the x equal to something of x. So what do you do in this case? It's still the same concept. Look up, open your eye, wait. Look, the y is here, the x is here. So the idea is that I'll look for a way that I'll make sure that the y over the x should be together. So here's the idea. I want to make sure that the x comes down here. So I have to first task here. My first process is that I have to divide by the x. So I have to divide both sides by the x, my first task. So it means I'll have this one that gives you x cubed plus 4x squared plus 7x minus 3. Of course, the y, divide this by what? He said the x is now equal to this same thing here, 3x squared plus 8x plus 7. Of course, I have the x. We said divide this one too by what? Divide it by the x. What do you observe? This will eliminate this. And I have this in this form. So it means that, now listen. If I have 3a over b equal to 5, 3a over b can still be written as 3 times a over b. This and this are still the same thing. Separate a and b this way, and they have 3 alone. So the over the x should stand alone. So it means that I'll have x cubed plus 4x squared plus 7x minus 3. I have this one here. So bring the over the x together. I have the y over, of course, the x equal to, this one gives you 3x squared plus 8x plus 7. All right. I have this one here. Next task here is to make the over the x subject, as we know. So here's the idea. For that to get into that integral method, you have to make the over the x subject. So if I want to make this one subject, I have to divide both sides by this one here. So to save time and stress, okay, let me just show you. I want to make the over the subject. So this one should come under here. That's all. So I'll be having that the y over the x is equal to this one first. That's 3x squared plus 8x plus 7 all over this one here. That gives you 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 7x minus 3 plus 7x minus 3. So this is what I have here. So we have not even started solving. This is how they are meant to give us the question initially. The question was meant to be given this way, and then we'll just take x here, but they gave us in its raw form. So it's not by doing two examples, I know it already. No, solve more problems. So now let's solve now. Let's solve. In this case now, we said take the x first to the other side, Abby. So take the x other side. I'll have that the y is equal to everything here. Take it down. That's 3x squared plus 8x plus 7 all over x cubed plus 4x squared plus 7x minus 3. Of course, take the x here. So of course, I have the x. Yeah. My next task here is to integrate through. So integrating through, permit me. I'll cut off this part, please. Permit me, for space sake. So I'll take off this part. Yeah. Take off this part. Take off this part for space sake. So from here, I'll have that. So next part is integrating through. So integrating through, integrating true, that gives you the integral of dy is equal to integral of what? 3x squared plus 8x plus 7 all over x cubed plus 4x squared plus 7x minus 3 dx. All right. How do you integrate this? How do you integrate this one here? Yeah. How do you solve this? How do you integrate this one? Check. I can't use general method here. Obviously, it can't work. I can't use general method here. Now, here's the idea. Integration is not like, let's say, I know it. It's just substitution. No. So you have to like keep on mastering solving under integration. Because it's crazy. You can say this question is like, this one is by parts. And that by part you are saying by parts is probably a substitution method you use. In this case here, if I put a number in this if I put a number here, this one now, the way I solve it will change. If I attach any figure here now, this stuff will change to by partial fraction. That's crazy. If I can attach any value here now, this thing will change to by partial fraction. From here, I'm going to apply substitution method. Do you know why? Observe that whenever you differentiate denominator and it's giving you numerator, please apply substitution method, please, to save time. So if I integrate a y, also this one gives you y equal to, so to solve this one here, I'll say let u to be equal to what there? X cubed plus 4x squared plus 7x minus 3. From here, this one gives you du over the x is equal to what there? 3x squared plus 8x plus 7. Please, this differentiation, make the x subject from here. The x equal to du all over 3x squared plus 8x plus 7. I will swap them. I have this. From here, substituting, that gives you that gives you y equal to the integral of numerator, that's 3x squared plus 8x plus 7 all over everything here. We just said what is u, so put u here, dot the x now is what? Du over this value, so that du over the value here is what? 3x squared plus 8x plus 7. So whenever you observe that, if you differentiate what is down here and you will have numerator, please use substitution method in this process. Observe that this one here and this one here are the same. They will what? Cancel out. What is left? I have that y is equal to what? The integral of what? Here is 1 and 1. So 1 over u gives you 1 over u dot, I have du left. If I integrate 1 over u, I'll have ln u. I'll have ln u. If you're familiar with institutional class, you should know this. From here, my final answer, from here, gives you about, if this gives you y equal to, if I integrate 1 over u, I'll have ln u plus what? Plus c. But we just said that u is what? Everything here, right? So put it here. I have x cubed plus 4x squared plus 7x minus 3. So put u back here. So my final answer gives you y equal to ln into x cubed plus 4x squared plus 7x minus 3. Next up, plus what? Plus c. This is the required solution for this particular question. We'll look at example 4 in our next class. If you found this class helpful, do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, Also, do it to join our WhatsApp group, right? I've added the link to WhatsApp group, WhatsApp channel in the video description. So do it to join those channels and groups. And then see you guys in our next video.
I just launched a book called The Shortcut to Academic Success. In this book, I share a lot of experience on how I evaluated during my time in school. This method really helped me a lot. If you're interested in getting this book, simply chat me up through my WhatsApp number that is shown in the screen. Alright guys, you can now join my channel membership to have access to exclusive videos of mine which most people will not have access to. To get this link, this membership program, as you can see the left hand side of the screen, you can see the YX/JAM classes. You can go there. It of course 1,000 naira, or you go for the 100 level student to have access to both. Right, so once you join the channel membership for other level students, you will have access to both the WAEC and the JAM classes with the other level itself. So do well to join this membership to support our online academic session. See you guys sooner. Guys, I just launched some courses on my website. These courses include physics tutorial for year 1 student, YX/JAM student, YX/JAM classes for JAM student, and also I have the organic chemistry for beginners. So these courses, you can get these courses on my website, as you can see displayed at the right hand side of the screen.